Project update. That loud noise means that we're almost done with demo. We're cutting locations for rough plumbing and rough HVAC through the concrete floor. We're starting to get the structural framing done. This space is opened up and we're starting to get to the point where we're mapping out, marking, and adding back in the new walls and new locations for all the items on this project. This space is already starting to turn around, and in the next update, you're going to start to see us developing and adding instead of removing.